4, 3, 2, 1. Hashtag join us for tea. Hashtag together. Bekelibeke. This is the TKC Business Workshop coming to you live this morning from Sebokeng. And our focus for today is how do you grow your business using technology? And some of us, we've got these great ideas, but we don't realize that a great idea that is poorly presented sounds like a poor idea. We're going to share with you 4 questions that we encourage you to answer when you have to pitch your business. What problem are you solving? What service are you providing? What is your unique selling point? What's your story? What do you need?
My name is Bongani Sekante.
My name is Tsepomdupi.
My name is Caleb Baloyi.
My name is Mbawula Mono.
But the key differentiator between us and them is the fact that they only provide proof of what happened to the child, rather than stopping the child from being stolen at the first place. So you as the parent, what are you saying? Do you want your child to get snatched and then they show you the video? Or do you want to prevent it from happening at the first place?
You know, I've realized so many times since we started working and operating at Shape Cafe that technology has also enabled us to have an added advantage with our suppliers. And this is what it does. Every time when we run on low on stock, and they are aware this is how much I've stocked, we are able to communicate with them, whether it's in telephone, WhatsApp, or with the apps that we use, or Yoko. And they're able to say, because you pre-order your stock all the time and prepay your stock, when we have 500 cups of coffee that are left, we prioritize you. Because you have allowed us and given us an added advantage of communication. Remember, is that technology, it is here to make you compete better.
Let's network, Sebokeng. Let's network. Let's get to know each other. You can move. Meet someone new. Meet someone new. I don't want to see you standing by yourself. Networking, exchanging business cards. Who are you? What do you do?
So here I see future businesswomen, I see future businessmen, and I do not give up. Hold on there. It won't be very long. It's a very important thing to be disciplined. Look, if you run a business, it is not your business. You are an employer in that business. If your business is an 8 to 4, be there 8 to 4. The only time that you leave the business is the time when you go and stock. But there should be somebody who's managing. So you are an employer.
Ladies and gentlemen, our winner for the pitching competition right here in Sebokeng, walking away with the grand prize of 50,000 Rand is Caleb Baloyi from Noso Sunflower.
I'm very excited. Dreams do come true. Start with what you have. Bekeli beke.
Hashtag together. Bekelibeke. Thank you so much. We will see you on the 12th of October in Mokopane. Much, much appreciated.